Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new or you're just tuning in, my name is Sydney, and today I am bringing you another wig video, sis. Today we got some Wiggins Hair, and this is the unit that I have on right now. She is giving what she needs to give. Can we take a minute to appreciate this hair? This is the 5x5 HD lace closure wig in 200% density and in a body wave. Yes, this is the body wave hair all pressed out, and she is really silky and she gets bone straight. Now, to give you some information about this hair, this is the HD lace, like I said, and in my opinion, if you're gonna invest your money in a wig, I would say get HD lace. I don't know where I've been, but HD lace is the way to go. The lace is much thinner and it melts into your skin. The meltdown process is so much easier because you don't have to do that much work. The lace is thinner and it just is softer. It just blends right into your skin. So if you are a beginner or you just want to invest in a bomb ass wig, get you some HD lace, okay? Now, I would say that for the price point of Wiggins Hair, I'm expecting the hair to be up here. And in my personal opinion, I feel like out of a 10, this hair is a 9 because there are some snags that you'll get. This hair is nonetheless very soft, but I feel like it does tangle a little bit. So I feel like if I move my head too much and by the time I get over here and I just move my head from over there, it's a little runny snag in the back.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I would say that this hair is very long, so if you are concerned about the length and the price point, I would say get whatever length you feel comfortable paying for, because this hair is really long. This is 24 inches and on me it is definitely waist length. This is hitting the booty and I'm 5 feet tall for a reference. So yeah, if you're interested to see how I transformed this wig, then just keep watching. First, I'm going to unbox this bag and show you everything that I received in my packaging. So you just open a little drawstring bag like this. First things first, obviously you get your wig. And unfortunately, mine didn't come with all the shebang that I thought it was gonna come with, but it did come with a, what do you call this? Elastic band. And it also came with some wig caps. Now, usually when the company sends you the wig caps, they send you the tannish color. Well, at least from my experience. But Wiggins sent me this kind of darkish color. I hope that it's still a good match for my scalp. It might not be, but it's okay. So, moving right along to my wig, on the top it says that I got a cap size medium. This wig is really pretty. The hair is very soft, which I am loving. So these are what the body wave little crimps look like. Super bomb. I like this color too. It's like a 1B, but it's given more brownish. And I really like that because if I do decide to put color to it, it will adhere better because the wig is a little bit lightened already. So the knots on this wig are not bleached, but I will take you along the journey of me bleaching these knots. As you can see, this is what the inside looks like. Now in the inside, it comes with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 combs in the inside. And it has adjustable straps right here, and you get a lot of parting space. Very blended in with the skin, and that's what we want, because we want this wig to lay down really nice and easy. Super bomb, super full. I say super bomb a lot, and I'm aware that I say super bomb a lot, but Sorry, I just say that word a lot, but this hair is really bomb and bouncy and just flowy. I love it. So yeah, now we are going to go downstairs on this journey together and bleach these knots, okay? I used 2 scoops of this bleach and I put in about 2 caps of this developer. I mixed it in my little mixing bowl till I got about a toothpaste consistency, and then I smeared it all over the knots on this lace. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and then washing the hair with some Shimmer Light shampoo, and then we're gonna let it sit on there for an additional 10 minutes or so. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to be blow drying this hair out and making sure that I get it dry as possible before pressing it. So here I'm showing you guys how I am pressing this part down. I was going for a middle part, so I am pressing the part down. I did not like that this hair had so many flyaways at the top though. Alright guys, I am back. I have my wig all pressed out. I flat ironed and pressed her. She is looking real nice and silky. So now we are going to get started with the installation process. First things first, I'm going to show you what I'm using to melt her. I have the ORS Wig Grip Gel. And I like this gel once again because it smells amazing and it doesn't leave me that white residue. Unfortunately, I didn't get a clip of me securing my lace down with the blow dryer, but I just took the blow dryer along the hairline and made sure that lace was laid down. And now I'm putting my scarf on and gonna let it sit for an additional 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, so I took my scarf off and now I'm gonna cut the lace. So now I'm going to take my contour palette and my contour brush, and I'm going to open like so, dab, 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 dab. Hi guys, sorry I forgot to film my outro, but here is the final result. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!